Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another 60s sort of hair and fashion look for you. The makeup is more modern, kind of dark and mysterious. So I really wanted to wear dark lipstick, dark eyeshadow. I thought I'd mix it in with this look. So hopefully you dolls like it. I also did want to let you dolls know that I started a new channel for my Freaky Friday videos. It is Ashley's Freaky Friday. That is where all my Freaky Friday videos are going to be posted. If you are not subscribed there yet, I will put the link to the page in the description box below, and then you can go ahead and subscribe. I uploaded my first video. I got such a great response. Thank you all so much for always being so supportive. I love you guys. And yes, so Freaky Fridays will continue. So now, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos. All right, dolls, let's get into this video. Okay, dolls, so to get started, I'm taking my Hot Tools Professional 1-inch curling iron, and I'm going to start by parting my hair at the bottom, and I'm taking about 2 to 3 inch sections, and I'm flipping my hair out. So when I'm curling, I'm making sure to curl it up. Normally I curl under when I'm doing my vintage waves, but we want that 60s 70s look, so we are going to curl up like this and then pin. Then I'm going to part my hair on the sides, and this time I'm taking even larger chunks just so I can get through this quickly, because like I said, we're not going to be molding. All you really want is for the ends of your hair to be flipped. And this time I'm going to curl all the way to the front. Normally I stop at the crown and then I switch directions, but it's actually not going to matter for this look, so. And this is what you should have. Okay, dolls, so now that I've curled my hair, I'm going to let it set and we're going to move on to makeup. But before we do, I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. Now more than ever, especially since I've entered my 30s, I'm trying to do a lot of preventative maintenance. And for skincare, what I'll be using today is the Napoli Pure Cream and Serum Combined Kit. So Napoli Pure is a serum and moisturizer formulated with Hawaiian red algae, which is going to help your skin glow, lift, heal, and firm. Their studies noticed a 44% reduction in facial wrinkles. It's light refreshing, fast absorbing, and it smells fantastic. So here first I'll be applying the Napoli Anti-Aging Serum. It'll instantly give a lifting effect and revive the skin. You never want to forget your neck. Always remember to place it on your neck. And the serum smells like the ocean. If you're ever at the beach or walking around jogging the beach and it just has that ocean scent, that breeze, that's exactly how this smells. It smells so good. After applying the serum, I just let it dry for a little bit and you'll feel once it's dry. Now I'm going to apply the Napoli Moisturizing Cream, and this is just a very luxurious cream. It really nourishes, calms, moisturizes, and repairs dry, hydrated skin. I'm just putting a generous amount. This is really just going to quench the skin. And you'll feel the difference. This cream just goes on like silk. So I always apply the serum and the moisturizer like clockwork after I get out of the shower, before I get ready and do my makeup. And then at nighttime, after I wipe all my makeup off, I have noticed that my skin does glow more during the day when I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm just letting my face breathe. One of my favorite things about Napoli is the smell. It is so light. It's a product that I actually look forward to putting on because it's not too strong, but then it also doesn't have an awful smell that some of them can have. Their ingredients in their formula include Hawaiian red algae, which is going to help reduce the lines in your skin, and then also licorice root extract, which is a natural antioxidant and brightener. Vitamin C, which helps with inflammation and puffiness. Vitamin E peptides for anti-aging, and so much more. You guys really need to try this for yourselves. If you use the code Ashley, you'll get free overnight shipping, and you won't be sorry. This video is sponsored by Napoli Pure, so thank you so much, Napoli, for sponsoring this video. Alright dolls, getting into this makeup look, I'm taking my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, applying that at the ends of my eyebrows and underneath my eyes to get rid of those dark circles and around my mouth and nose. And the reason I cover the end of my brows is because they're microbladed and I actually want my brows to be more flared out. Then I'm going in with my Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation in the shade 41NN and applying that all over my face. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and applying that all over my face except for my lid space. Moving on to brows, I'm taking my Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brown Tones Instant Color Highlight and applying that on the actual hairs that I have on my eyebrows. Going in with my Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. This is where I'm really going to start drawing out my eyebrows. For makeup, I'm going to take my Profusion Cosmetics Mirage palette and I'm taking this light cream color and using it as my brow bone highlight. And then in that same Mirage palette, I am taking that lighter brown tan color and this is going to be our base shade. Now going in that same palette, I am taking more of this Sunset Orange shade and applying that as the transition shade. And then I'm going to deepen this color up a little bit. Oh no, first I'm going to sharpen this shadow to make sure all the fallout is clean. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper orangish red shade and that's going to go as close to my crease as possible. So we're just slowly building up this color. And now going in with this dark brown in the palette, I'm applying that all on my lids. And then we're going to blend out any harsh lines that brown created. Now going in with my Kat Von D Beauty Monarch palette, I'm just taking the shade Shadow Box because it is a really dark brown and applying that over the other brown. So I needed it to be a bit darker and this Shadow Box actually worked pretty well. And now I'm just blending out any harsh lines and blending it into that orangish reddish shade. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the darker reddish brown and applying that underneath. For my waterline, I'm taking my Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil in the shade Demolition. And then I'm going in with that brown in the Profusion palette and blending it into that liner. For inner corner highlight, I'm using Bougie by Lorella Cosmetics. And then going in with my Sweet Street Cosmetics Wing Queen eyeliner, creating a pretty dramatic wing. Now I'm taking my Babe Lash Enhancing Mascara and applying some of that. Going in with the Urban Decay Cosmetics bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed. Applying that underneath my cheekbones and around my forehead. And then going in with JCat Beauty Blush Mallow. This is the shade Honey Me Blush. Going back in with Bougie from Lorella Cosmetics, highlighting my cheekbones. For lips, I'm taking Kat Von D Beauty Lip Liner in Crucifix. And I'm outlining my lips and then shading the corners. And then going in with my Kat Von D Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Damned. For eyelashes, this is my Miss Lashes M102B lashes, my faves. And then finishing that with some mascara. Topping off my lips with my Babe Lash Lip Plumping Jelly. I just love this stuff, so I wanted to put it on my lips. And here is the final makeup look. Now, moving on to this big 60s hair. I'm going to be taking off these sections, and then I'm going to start teasing every section that I take down. And you want to tease a lot because we want that big, voluminous hair. And if you think you're teasing too much, you're not. You're probably not teasing enough. So once I get to the top, I'm just running my fingers through the curls just to break them up so they're not all together. And then I'm going to continue teasing, and I'm going to tease all the way to the front. And then start combing everything out so that it looks clean and not messy. Now taking this front section, this is going to be our little bang section. I'm pulling one side to the right and the other side to the left. And then I'm going to spray some hairspray to set it down and use my comb so it looks like a little cowlick. And when you get it the way you like it, then just start fixing everything else. Now I'm taking the scarf that I got on eBay. You can find them on eBay or Etsy. And I'm going to tie it on the side just so it has that 60s look. And here is the final hair and makeup look. So for earrings, these are some brown hoop earrings that I got at Forever 21. I think they were like $3 a while back, and I just love them. I thought they would pair perfect with this look. Moving on to the outfit, the top I got from Forever 21. I've had it maybe about 4 or 5 years, and the wide leg pants are from Pinup Girl Clothing. These pants are so comfortable, and I paired them with my Steve Madden platform heels. Just this whole look, I had to base a look off of these pants because I love them. I had stopped wearing them for a while, but I'm so happy that I started wearing them again. They're just so comfortable. I don't know why I stopped. You know, sometimes you just stop wearing stuff and you don't know why. So here is the final look. I hope you dolls enjoyed this little twist, dark twist that I added to it. Let me know what look you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to Ashley's Freaky Friday. Love you dolls so much, and I will see you soon. Bye, loves.